हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैंने येलो लैपिंग बनाया है। दिस वन इज अ ड्राई येलो लैपिंग एंड दिस वन इज soup lैपिंग। Actually before my previous shot I made the white lैपिंग which is much easier than this. It will take more time. So today is a Kanti Janti, so I have lots of time. So I prepared the yellow laphing. So this is the first time I'm making this. I learned from the YouTube, so I will tell them test. I can't express. It's super tasty. Oh my god, it's very tasty. It's more tastier than restaurant actually. God. So I want to try the soup one also. Wow. But I love dry laughing. I can't even. It's like too yummy. It's like spicy. This is like a snacks, Tibetan snacks. So yummy. For sure, next time also I will make. If you want to know how to make laughing, then comments me below. I will tell every step. I will never think that my laughing will turn into like this, like very yummy. But today, chili was yummy. The main thing we are considering is if the chili is tasty, means everything will become very tasty. It's like that. Out of 10, I will give 9. Wow. See, I finished. I think the stuffing I give 9 because that stuffing in Tibetan we call it chazduma, which is not become very good. It's kind of actually it will become like hard and something nice. but for me it's become very something. I don't know what happened to it. Overall, and I love dry laphing. So dry laphing was very tasty. Overall, being okay, guys. See you at next vlog. So please, if you are new to my blog, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.